morning students, welcome back. Today I am going to start back exercise of chapter Dolphins. This is chapter Dolphins, and this is back exercise of this chapter and question answers. But today we will discuss only these two parts, A4 and A5. In back exercise, here is A4 part 1, match the facts. Match the facts given below in column A with evidence from the passage in column B. This is column A, this is column B. In column A, all these statements are facts. In column B, all these statements are evidences. So, first fact is, dolphins are not fish. This is a fact and we have to find out the evidence, the correct evidence from these statements in column B. So, its correct evidence is, dolphins cannot breathe in water. Because you all know, I hope you all know that fish can breathe in water, but dolphins cannot. So, dolphins are not fish. So, now I am going to match this one with C statement. Dolphins cannot breathe in water. Next is, dolphins can protect themselves. Dolphins can protect themselves. It's a fact. And its correct evidence is, dolphins scare away killer shark. How they can protect themselves? They make a group and they scare away killer shark. So we can say that they can protect themselves. So I am going to match this with A statement. Next is dolphins. Dolphins cannot speak but can express themselves. How can they express themselves? Do you know? I hope you all know. When they angry, dolphins make a loud noise with tails and jaws. So they can express themselves. So this is a correct evidence. Next and the last one is, people have always liked dolphins. Yes, people always like dolphins because dolphins are friendly, gentle and helpful. That's why people like dolphins. As you read in chapter also, when a woman fell in a water, so then dolphin helped her and saved her. So these are matches. Here is A5 part, true false. Speak whether the following statements are true or false. Write T for true and F for false statement. So first statement is, dolphins do not like human beings. Is it true or false? I hope you all know it's false because they like human beings. Next is, they are water animals. Yes, they are water animals because they live in water. So it's true. Dolphins catch fish with difficulty. Is it true or false? No, but dolphins are good at catching fish. So it's false. Next is, dolphins like to live alone. It's false. They like to live in groups always. So it's false. Next is, dolphins are not always gentle. Is it true or false? It's true because sometimes when they get angry, they are not gentle. They behave like they make a loud noise, clapping noise with their jaws and slap the water hard with their tails. So it's true. Next and the last one is, dolphins can express their anger. Yes, They can express their anger. It's true. So, these are part A5. Today, we have discussed in back exercise A4 and A5. Next time, we will discuss rest of the back exercise. Thank you.